Hey y'all, tired of clunky tools ruining your garden vibe? What if you had a cute, comfy set to make planting a breeze? This JUMPHIGH 10-piece garden tool set is a gem. Let's dig in. Welcome to SmartBloom, folks, your go-to spot for the best gardening tools in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're unboxing the JUMPHIGH 10-piece garden tools set. Hit that subscribe button to join our Bloomin' SmartBloom crew. The JUMPHIGH 10-piece garden tools set is a beaut for any gardener. It includes a trowel, rake, weeder, pruner, shears, sprayer, and more, all with floral printed ergonomic handles and a carrying case. Perfect for women or dads. Say goodbye to sore hands and hello to easy digging. Here's how to use it in 3 easy steps, y'all. Step 1. Grab a tool with that comfy ergonomic handle. Perfect for long sessions. Step 2. Dig, weed, or prune with ease. Those floral handles add style. Step 3. Stow it all in the carrying case. Keeps your shed neat. Gardening just got fun. I used this set in my Texas flower bed to plant some daisies, and it was a delight. The floral handles felt great, and the pruners sliced through branches like butter. Pro tip: clean the tools after use to keep them pretty. Some folks say the metal bends with heavy soil, so use them for lighter tasks. Bonus tip: the case fits extra seeds. Handy. Here's why I'm loving this set, y'all. Pros: cute floral design, comfy handles, and that carrying case. Great gift for moms or pops. Cons: metal bends in heavy soil, and the sprayer's a bit small. But wow, it made my gardening feel special. I'm hooked. Do you love floral tools? Tell me in the comments. This JUMPHIGH set's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada. Great for flower beds or indoor plants. Ideal for beginners or gifting. Not for heavy digging, though. Ready to garden in style? Grab the JUMPHIGH 10-piece garden tool set on Amazon. Link below. Y'all, what's your favorite garden tool? Share in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Loved this review? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more gardening tips to keep your yard thriving.